Hello guys, it's Digibur here. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, you can subscribe to us for further information and tricks. You may need to record your Mac screen when there's a vital meeting, a class, or a brilliant gameplay to share it with your friends, but you don't know how to make it. Anyway, today I will show you how to record the screen on Mac. If you just want to record the video in the simplest way, jump to 101. Here I'm on my Mac desktop, and I'll take the video from our YouTube channel as an example. Now I'm gonna search our channel on YouTube. I'm on our YouTube channel. Remember that YouTube copyright protected video isn't supported for recording. Okay, let's skip the advertisement and pause the video from the beginning. Now open the desktop screen recorder on my Mac. Just as its name implies, it is a comprehensive screen recorder with great compatibility on Mac, including the latest macOS Monterey. Okay, I've opened it. We can see the main screen of screen recorder is simple. All functions are neatly presented on the screen. It allows us to record video, audio, and game on the computer. And we can see there's a small module here. We can activate webcam when recording. No matter whether you are a live streamer, a teacher of an online class, or a host of the meeting, as long as you need to turn on the webcam, you can use the function. We can set preferences before recording. Go to Settings, and here we can set the interface, output folder, advanced settings of video and audio, camera, mouse trace and color, hotkeys, and more. Plus, you can add your custom recording presets including video quality and output format to convenient video recording in the future. I prefer to export video in MP4 format for it has the greatest compatibility. It allows me to watch videos on almost computers and mobile devices, no matter what operating system I'm using. To record your screen in Mac, click on Video Recorder. We can see here the basic settings of video recording. The first module is the region you want to record the screen. We can select Custom and select Region or Window to record. There are several other options with different qualities, you can choose due to your needs. Here I'll select the region of our recorded video. Since I don't need to turn on the webcam, I'll skip the second module. The third part is system sound. We can turn on or off the system sound and control the volume. Since I'm recording the YouTube video, I'll enable it. As for microphone, if you need to record the environment voice or your voice, you can turn it on. After then, you can set the watermark to safeguard the copyright of your recorded video. Later, click on the Rec button to start recording in 3 seconds. During the recording process, you can click the toolbox icon and mark the video or give notes, and click the gear to control the volume of the video. To save our time, I'll just record for a while to show you the full tutorial. So I'll stop here. After finishing the recording, click the stop button and the video will be automatically played on the screen. We can preview the video to check if there's something that needs to be optimized. Here you can set the start and end of the video. Now I want to set start here, I'll drag the progress bar from the beginning. If you are satisfied with the video, you can export it, and the recorded video will be saved in the folder you set before. Now we've finished recording. Let's go to check the video. See, here it is. If you don't want to set so many things, you can just click on Video Recorder, set the recording region, and click on the Rec button. I'll give 3 seconds here for you to take a screenshot of the whole process. Compared to other tools, Screen Recorder has the most straightforward operation and comprehensive presets to convenient your screen recording. If the video is helpful, please click the like button and share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to us. See you next time.